body.
Hey, I know.
That's what a little soap and water does. Washes it off.
Oh gosh, you're scaring me to death.
I'm gonna call that on video. Mama,
What? Come here.
Aslan's right there. Golly, come on.
Come on, let's go up here.
Mama, don't kick him.
I mean, he's on her feet, y'all.
He's going in that water.
I know, he's going in that water.
Daddy, do you know any names? Do you want to name him?
Maybe I can't think of any. I've been trying. I can't think of any.
Oh, well, I want
I like.
Buddy. Buddy, buddy, buddy.
The room was cleaned out. We could put him in your room.
My room?
No, Daddy's room. Garage room.
No.